Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about LCM of consecutive multiple of numbers. So if I simply explain this to you guys, let's say we have taken a number 4, okay? So 4 multiplied by 1 equals 4. So 1 is the first multiple of 4, right? And 4 multiplied by 2, so 2 is the second multiple of 4. So if we take 3 multiple of 4, we have 4, 8 and 12, okay? So we will try to LCM, we will try to find the LCM of these three numbers, okay? So these, whatever number we want to, multiply, we will give this as an input, and how many times it will be, consecutive multiples would be given by input, okay? And output would be the LCM of them. So what is LCM actually? LCM is the minimum number, okay? Minimum number to divide by this number, okay? So if you divide 4, 8 and 12, if you divide any number that by these three, okay? So let's say we can consider 12, so we can divide 4, we can divide 12 by 4, right? But we can't divide 12 by 8, okay? It's not evenly divided, right? So we have to take uh, at least 24, right? Then we can divide by all of these three, okay? So now we will see the function and we will try to visualize, guys. Okay, so we will start from the main function, so because program starts to execute from the main, okay? So here we have two integer number, integer types of variable, and we are saying to the user that enter a number and the number multiples, right? So if you give like 4, and in our case we are taking three numbers, right? So let's say 4 would be the number, and we will take three multiples of 4, right? So you see here we have 24, right? So what we saw in the when we described, right? Described. So now we will take the input as we did here, and assuming LCM is x, okay? So x, what is x, guys? X is 4, okay? So by which number we were taking the multiple, right? So in the beginning, we will assume that x, the first number, that means 4, 4 is the LCM, okay? So we will, just take the multiple of 4, right? So and for the time being, we are assuming that x is the LCM, okay? So now we have a for loop here, right? So this for loop, what does this for loop do? This for loop starts from 2, guys, and uh, 2, I mean I will increase, right? So I less than or equals to n, right? So what is n? N is 4, right? So if you try to visualize this, let's see, LCM in the beginning, LCM is 4, for loop first iteration, I is 2 and 2 less than or equals 4, then LCM equals, find LCM, we will have to, go in the find LCM function, guys, okay? So what value we will have for find LCM, you see? First of all, the LCM, so 4, LCM would be 4, and x multiplied by I, okay? So I is 2, x is 4, 4 into 2, that means 8. So we will have 4 and 8 as argument, right? So if you go to the find LCM, we will have 4 and 8 as argument. So here a is 4, right? And b is 8. So 4 into 8 is 32. Yes, 32. And divide. Now find GCD. So we have to find GCD of 4 and 8. So we will have to go into the find GCD function again, here again. So if we visualize, guys, you see find LCM, sorry, this is find LCM, we have 34 divided by find GCD, okay? So let's go to the find GCD function again. uh, you know A4 and B8, right? So in the previous video, in all our videos, we are just doing the same process, right? So 8 not equals 0, first iteration. So you already know the process, guys, right? You see in the first iteration, a is 8, that means GCD is 8, and in the second iteration, GCD is 4, right? So here, uh, you know, uh, B is 0, so there is no more iteration. Okay. So while loop terminates here, let's go to the LCM function again, because we came here from the LCM, right? So from this LCM we came here. So our loop will go in here. Okay. So here we have 4. This function gives us 4, right? So 32 divided by 4. Okay. So we will get whatever we will get. This will be, our LCM, right? So we have 8. So we got LCM 8. Now let's go to the for loop in the main function. So we have to go to the main function, guys. You see, in the main function we have to come into the for loop, and LCM would be, this is 8, right? Okay, now I will increase, guys. So I will be, 3. So 3 is 3 less than 4 or equals 4. Yes, this condition is true. Then LCM, this will again come here, right? So you know this time LCM is what? LCM, let's see and visualize, guys. Okay. So here for the second iteration, I is 3, 3 less, okay. So LCM 8, and I, x into I into 4 into 3 equal to 12, right? Right. So from our previous iteration, we got LCM 8, and in this case, x is 4, right? You see, x is 4, okay? X is 4, and x into I. So I is 3 in this case. So 4 into 3, 12. So we will go back to the LCM with 8 and 12. So 8 and 12 be 96. 96 divided by, find GCD, and we will go back to the find GCD again. So we will find 8 and 12, GCD of 8 and 12. So all the, while loop will be started again. And if you see here, while loop for 12 not equal, and we are getting 8, 12. And in the second iteration, we are getting a 8, right? And in the third iteration, we are getting, a 4, right? So here, uh, we are getting a 4 and b equals 0. That means while loop terminates, guys. So while loop terminates here, let's go to the find GCM again. 94 divided by 4 is 24. So we got LCM 24. Now let's go to the for loop and the main function. So we will go to the main function. Here we will come here. We are here now, right? So we are getting, whatever we are getting from there, uh, 24 now. Okay. 18, 12 is 24. So it will try to, iterate again. I will increase. So I will be, previously it was 3. So it will be 4 now. Is 4 less than or equal to 4? Yeah. So no, because sorry, we have only 3 elements, right? So we have only 3 elements. It can't, iterate again. It will terminate, right? So finally, we will print this statement, guys. This statement will be executed. LCM of the first, first, the here, 3 multiples of 4. This, you already know this percentage sign, guys. Percentage D is for integers, right? And now n is, uh, everything will come here. 3 and 4, and LCM would be 24. Yeah. So LCM of the first 3 multiples of 4 is 24. This is how it works, guys. I hope you understand, and you just have to, type this code, and you have to practice, guys. I'll have to repeat these things again, and I will repeat, and I will share this video with you guys. If you just watch my videos, and maybe if you think me as a friend, and when you practice, you can, watch my videos and make any, if you want, you can make comment in my, comment box, so that I instantly see you're doing. And as a new creator, or I will feel good as well. And if you guys watch my videos, sometimes I see the watch time, and I see some people, less people, not that much, but some people watch my videos. If you watch my videos for second time, third time, or maybe you wait for my video, please let me know. It will be really pleasure for me, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.